we create a prayer. So 10th class students, this is video for you. See your unit 1, 1.1 teenagers prayer, and in that there is a question of composing the prayer. So for that I have made this video. So students, composing a prayer, it is not a very easy task. But I am sure that at the end of the video, all of you can compose at least 4 lines. And that only is the aim of this video. I am not teaching here anything. I am only inspiring you to make such compositions. I am sharing my experiences which I got while composing this prayer. I have composed the prayer, and what I have done actually to compose it, I am putting here step by step, so that by following the simple steps, you also can compose your own creation. So students, we will compose a small prayer today. चला तर विद्यार्थ्यांनो, आज आपण प्रेयर बनवूया. So let us start the video. So your first poem, unit 1, 1.1, and the question number is 8. The question is, compose a short prayer in English asking God to guide you in your teenage years. And for this, you will have to follow some simple steps. So let us start. The first step for composing this prayer is decide the subject. So whatever you want to compose, you will have to decide first what is our subject. So that is the first step. Then next, think over the subject and write down all the ideas which are running in your mind while thinking. So whenever we think, ideas are there. And those ideas are very important. Whenever you have ideas, I have to suggest something here. Whenever poems or compositions we will have to write, it is not all of a sudden process. Ideas are important, and those ideas, if you take down on your pages, the ideas are there. Otherwise, they vanished. So, whenever the ideas came, I suggest you to put forth in your paper, in your copies. So, these ideas are very important. Then the third step is assemble various words associating the ideas. Writing the sentences means the words are essential, and that's why you will have to assemble some words here for writing. The fourth step is try to write ideas using these words in simple sentences. So make the simple sentences from these words. Then fifth step, arrange the line in sequence so as to become more meaningful. So scattered sentences, you will have to make them in sequences so that it becomes meaningful. Sixth step, replace some words with their synonyms to rhyme the lines. As the prayer or song, there must be some rhyming pattern. So for that, you will have to replace your words with their rhyming words, and both they are the synonyms. Then seventh step, add some similes or metaphor as far as possible. So make the poem interesting. There are some figure of speech must be added, but it is not very essential. You can skip this in the first attempt. But if you want, you add these similes, metaphor, or any other figure of speech to make your composition very interesting. And the last one is end effectively. So end of the composition with respect to the subject, you will have to end it. So these are the simple steps you will have to follow, and you can compose any composition. Now, I will explain with an example how to use these simple steps. So, listen carefully. The first step is deciding the subject. But now, what happened here? Here is the question given. And in the question, already the subject is given that you will have to prepare the prayer. So, no need to decide the subject here. So, the first step, we will have to compose a prayer. Second step, think over the subject and write down all the ideas which are running in your mind while thinking. So, thinking about the prayer, I have some ideas in my mind and that I am giving here. First of all, I think to understand what is a prayer, the meaning of the prayer. Until and unless we didn't know what the subject is, we cannot write anything, and that's why I think over what is a prayer. So, prayer is speaking with God, thanking Him for anything, everything He has given us. He has given us too many of the things, uncountable things, which are very, very important and very beneficial for us. So, thanking for all those things. Then we want Him to guide for wisdom, stay away from misdeeds, show the right path from this path of life. So, all these ideas came in my mind and I have written here. The next step is assemble the words, various words associating the ideas. So, the words associating these ideas I am giving here: request, wisdom, guide, difficulties, faith, laziness, misdeeds, save, smile, order, raise, race, bless, etc. and etc. So, all these words may be used, may not be used, no doubt, but you will have to collect the words for writing. Then, next, fourth step, try to write ideas using these words in simple sentences. So, I have made simple sentences out of those ideas and words. So, these are the sentences. Listen my request, O God. So, I am requesting first of all. Listen my request, O God. So, what is the request? I am lazy and lacking wisdom. The path of life is very difficult. So, guide me, please. So, this is my request to God, that guide me. Then again, I commit so many mistakes every time. So, save me from it. So, save me from my mistakes, all my misdeeds. I want to give my parents pleasure by my good work. So, order me to do good things so that my parents will be happy and bless me. So, these things must be in the prayer. We daily pray to God asking all these things. Then, fifth, these lines are made. Now, arrange these lines in the sequence so as to become it more meaningful. So, how I arranged? Oh Lord, listen my request. I am lazy and lacking wisdom. I have to travel the difficult path of life, so guide me, please. I commit too many mistakes, save me from it. Order me to do good things which will bring smile on my parents' face, so that I can run the race which is set before me. O Lord, raise your hands to give me blessings. So, somehow I made the sequence of lines in this fifth step. Now, the last three steps, replace some words with their synonyms to rhyme the lines, add some similes or metaphor, and end effectively as per the subject. According to these three steps, I made some changes in my composition. See, what are they? So this is my first composition. Oh Lord, listen my request. I am lazy and lacking wisdom. I have to travel the difficult path of life. So guide me, please. I commit too many mistakes. Save me from it. Order me to do good things which will bring smile on my parents' face, so that I can run the race which is set before me. Oh Lord, raise your hands to give me blessings. So what happened? This composition is like a prose. So I have given some effect to this composition to make some rhyming prayer, like rhyming prayer. So what is the difference? What changes I have made? See here. In the first composition, oh Lord, listen my request. I make some change here. Oh Lord, listen to my earnest request. I have added earnest request. Then I am lazy and lacking wisdom. So I have to travel for wisdom quest. So traveling and laziness, the words are dropped and added. I have to travel for wisdom quest. So lacking wisdom, that is wisdom quest. I have to travel the difficult path of life, so guide me, please. So guide me through this difficult path. So change this line to guide me through this difficult path. And so as to know how dangerous is sloth. So I have added two rhyming words. One is quest, it is rhymed with request, and another is sloth, which is rhyming with path. Sloth, laziness. Then I commit too many mistakes. Save me from it. Order me to do good things. So here what is changed? Save me from my all misdeeds. Order me to do good things which will bring smile on my parents' face, which will bring smile on my originator's face. So again, instead of many mistakes, I used from my all mistakes, and instead of parents' face, I have used here originator's face. Here two-way meanings is there in the originator. Originator is our parents and originator is also God. And that's why I have replaced parents with originator's face. Now, so that I can run the race which is set before me, it is the same here, so that I can run the race which is set before me. And the last, the end effectively point is here you can see very clearly. Oh Lord, raise your hands to give me blessings. Instead of this, I have added two lines. Oh Lord, I bow my head, raise your hands and keep me blessed. Now the composition is somewhat rhyming. See, oh Lord, listen to my earnest request. I have to travel for wisdom quest. Guide me through this difficult path so as to know how dangerous is sloth. Save me from my all misdeeds. Order me to do good things which will bring smile on my originator's face, so that I can run the race which is set before me. O Lord, I bow my head, raise your hands and keep me blessed. So like this becomes a composition. So now you can understand how the compositions are made. So that with the simple steps you also can create your own compositions. तर विद्यार्थ्यांनो, अशा प्रकारे जर तुम्ही तुमचे छोटे छोटे कंपोजिशन्स बनवले तर काहीही कठीण नाही आहे. सो इन दिस लॉकडाउन पिरियड I suggest you to make your own creations, and there is one question also in unit 1 1.3. Compose the imaginary poetic lines. So that is the question in 1.3. Sowing the seeds of moonlight, complete it. Then traveling among the stars in a galaxy, complete it. So this is also the homework for you. Try to make such lines and try to make poems, songs, etc., etc. And it is very enjoyable. Take the interest in it and follow the simple steps. You will find it very easy how to compose any prayer, song, poem, etc. So I think it become now somewhat easy. So try it and write. We will meet again with any other interesting video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.